Hello, this Excel video tip is going to be talking about the weekday function. This function will allow us to pull out what day of the week is within a certain date provided. To help us illustrate that, we've got a spreadsheet here that we've used to help illustrate month, day, and year functions. So if you've not watched those, I recommend that you watch the month, day, and year videos that we have. The weekday function, to use that, just select the cell where you want the result and type equals weekday, and then open your parentheses, and then click on the cell where the date is, and then close your parentheses and hit enter. And you'll notice that it's a 3. And since today is Tuesday, that's the third day of the week. And I'm going to drag that down. And then you'll see that it does that. 1 would be Sunday, 2 would be Monday. Now, I like days and words better than numbers. And so one thing that you can do to help with that is we can set up a little chart over here. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to use my autofill option as I drag down. We've got a video on that if you haven't had a chance to watch that. And then I'm going to do Sunday, Monday, and I'm going to drag that down, and you'll see that it autofills. So we've got, again, a video on the autofill there as well. So now I've got with the number here and the date. If I do my VLOOKUP, I'm looking up value 3, and I'm just going to select the entire column. Then I don't have to anchor those cells. And I want to look in the second column over, and I want it to be an exact match. And then as I drag that down, it gives me the day of the week. Now I'm going to take it just to one further step here into a little advanced Excel, and I'm going to do a nested function, which we haven't really talked about yet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to nest the weekday function here within a VLOOKUP function. And we'll have one that deals with this more in depth down the road. Doing it this way that I've done is perfectly fine. I just like to save however many formulas that I can. What I'm going to do is start typing a VLOOKUP, and then where the lookup value, I'm just going to place that entire function where the lookup value is. So rather than referencing where that result is, I'm going to put it right inside the VLOOKUP function. And then I'll still do my table array where I'm looking from. Second column, exact match. And then I drag that down. That makes this column not work because it's not a number over there anymore. But then this now gives me the day of the week for this specific date. And again, this could be useful if you want to see how all of your Monday sales do. You can just filter or use a pivot table now for Monday for that weekday. Went a little advanced on you there. Used VLOOKUP in a nested function, but this shows you, again, the power that's within Excel. But the focus here would be on the weekday function, which will allow you to see what day of the week is within a given date within Excel. And that's today's Excel video tip. Have a great day.